How to open Developer Console in Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to discuss about opening the Developer Console in Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, launch your favorite web browser and then go to roblox.com. After that, log into your specific account. Now, open the game that you want from the list on the homepage. Now, once you've found and opened the game you want to use it in, I'll use this one as an example. There are two ways to do this. You can open the chat box and then type in /console and then press enter on the chat. This will open the developer console if you have an access. You can also try pressing the F9 key on your keyboard while in the game, and this will open the developer console showing the memory logs and other information. So that's it. This is exactly how you can open your developer console in Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.